In this video, we're going to learn how to solve problems involving derivative using the Casio calculator in seconds for multiple choice questions. Now, after going through this video, I guarantee you that you'll be able to solve problems involving higher order derivatives that includes the derivative of a function with the Casio FSCG50 calculator in seconds for multiple choice questions. So ensure you stay with me to the very end of this video because we're going to learn a lot, guys. Okay, having known that, let's get the Casio calculator now. Go into the details of the video. Alright, so this is Casio FSCG50 calculator. Now, the very first thing you have to do is to reset or clear this calculator. The essence of doing this is to remove or wipe out whatever previous value you might have stored on the calculator. Now, to quickly reset it, all you have to do is to go to system using this navigation button. Okay, so once you get here, press execute. Execute for this calculator stands for equal to. Alright, once you press execute, you then press F5 for reset. Then press F6 for next page. When you get here, press F2 to initialize all. Alright, press F1, yes, we want to initialize all. And it will begin to initialize all to reset the calculator as indicated here. Okay, so we're going to find the derivative of all the functions we have here. Very interesting, guys. We learn a lot. Okay, it's done. Press exit. Okay, now the next thing you have to do will be to ensure that the calculator is in reduce mode. Very important, guys. By default, mine is already in reduce mode. Let me show you. If you press execute under this one matrix now, you will see reduce. Alright, it's in reduce mode. If yours happen to be in degree, all you have to do to put it in reduce mode will be to press shift this menu button. Okay, navigate down to angle. Alright, as you can see, it's already in reduce mode. If I press F1, it will change to degree. If yours happen to be degree, all you have to do to put it to reduce is to press F2 and it will change to reduce, as you can see. That's the press exit. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do will be to store a number we're going to use to differentiate these functions from here. Now, I recommend 2 often for people I teach because I have practiced with 2 for a very long time and I have not found any error with it. So to store 2 on this calculator, all you have to do is press number first 2, then press execute. Now I want to store it as X, so we're going to press this arrow button, then press alpha and this plus button. This is for X, then press execute. Once you do it, it will indicate that 2 has been stored as X on this calculator. Alright, we are good to go. Let's begin to differentiate these functions from here one by one. So let's delete all here. Press F2. F2 again to delete all. F1. Okay, so for the derivative, now there are steps you have to follow, of which I'm going to show you now. So question 1 for the derivative says f of x equal this function. So let's differentiate it. Let's go to maths. D over dx, we're going to start with d2 over dx2. So d2 over dx2. Alright, so let's repeat the function. We have 3 roots, square roots, shift this of x. Okay, then give space to put your plus 5x. Okay, alpha x. Then go here and put the 2 stored. We have 2. Alright, execute. So we have this value. Let's put it in decimal. Alright, so right now we are going to store this value as, let's say, A on this calculator. Alright, now to do that, press this arrow button first, then alpha A. Okay, then press execute. Now it will indicate that this value has been stored as A on this calculator. Now the next thing we're going to do will be to add a constant here. But before that, let's delete this first line. So it deletes this first line. Very important, guys, for this calculator. Delete line. F1, yes. Okay, so let's go up and impute these constants to these 2 we have here, plus 0.00001. 5 zeros. Take note, guys. 5 zeros. Then press execute. Okay, so we have another 0.26 and the rest of them. Now we're going to store this value as B on this calculator. To do that, all you have to do is press this arrow button first, then press alpha B, press execute. It will indicate that it has been stored as B. That's all. Now, to get our answer, the next step or the last step we're going to follow or express will be to delete everything here. Delete all. Okay? Use this fraction button. You're going to subtract A from B. To bring out the B, press alpha B, right, minus alpha A over. So we have the constant we impute there, 0.00001. 5 zeros. Take note of this zero, guys. Very, very important. This number of zeros. So we press execute. We have 0.19. Right now, we are going to simplify the options. Anyone that gives us 0.19 will be our answer. It's as simple as that, guys. So let's delete everything here. Okay, so let's use option A. We have it to be 9 over 8. Okay, we go to this side, x, alpha x. Okay, the power. We have the power to be, make use of the power function. Okay, 5 over 2. Sorry. Yes, 5 over 2. Okay. So that's what we have there. Press execute. To change it to decimal, to check what that is, you press the 0.1 correct. So answer is option A. It's as simple as that, guys. If you want to check option B, all you have to do is to navigate here and remove this 9 we have here and put 7. Press execute. Press SD. No, so answer is what option A. Okay, let's still check option C. Let's do this, guys, to verify. But I doubt our answer is what option A. So just invert of option A, option C. Okay, so you remove it and put 8 here. Press execute. No, this will give us one value. So guys, the answer is option A. As simple as that. Now let's solve one more example, which is question 2 for third derivative. Okay. Now let's bring out the Casio calculator. Let's delete everything here. Okay, so let's go back to maths. F5 for D2 and dx2. So there we have f of x equals cos s squared. So let's impute it. We have cos s squared alpha x square. Okay, so the bracket is balanced. You go here and put the 2 restored. That's what execute 11.97. So right now we're going to store this as A. Okay, let's store this as A. To do that, I press this arrow button first. After A, press execute. Okay, now let's delete the first line. Delete the first line. Is it okay? Yeah. So you go up using this navigation button and add the constant here. We have it to be we have plus 0.00005 zeros, guys. Wow. Okay. So press execute. Okay, so let's start this as B. It's going to be this arrow button. Then we have alpha B. Press execute. Okay, we are going to do lastly for this last step. We're going to be let's delete everything here. Okay, so you make it a fraction button. Subtract A from B. Alpha B minus alpha A. Okay, over we have this constant 0.00001. 5 zeros, guys. Take note of this. Okay, so press execute. Minus 32.74. So right now we're going to simplify the options. Anyone that gives us minus 32.74 will be our answer. So let's delete everything here. Okay. So let's begin to option A. We have it to be 8 x squared, sorry. Okay, we have cube. Then come down, we have cos x square. Then we have minus 12x alpha x sine x square alpha x. Okay, square. That's all. Press execute. No, we got minus 32.74. So let's check option B, guys. It's as simple as that. Let's navigate up. Okay, so the difference here is here we have cos, not sine. So we put the cos here. Then here we have sine. Put the sine here. And that's all, guys. Let's press the quick and get our results. Confirm. So this is our answer, minus 32.74. So it's as simple as that, guys. This is how you can solve. Please check option D. You will not get similar value, but the answer is what option B. This is how you can solve problems involving the derivative with the Casio FACG50 calculator in seconds to multiple choice questions. Hope there's something interesting for this class. That's it for this class, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to reset your calculator once you're done. All you have to do is to go to menu. Then we have our system, press execute. Okay, reset F5, then F6, initialize, or F2, F1, and that's what you begin to initialize. Alright, guys, let's close the class here. Thanks for watching. See you in my subsequent video. Okay, so it's done. Press exit.